She have no idea that you're about to leave her right now.
Bye-bye. How I give Sarah kiss? Sarah.
So she gonna stand. Come around. Come around. Kiss her now. Oh, you're gonna miss her today?
But I will not be sad.
Uh-oh.
Sorry,
Uh-oh.
please.
That's okay. She'll be fine.
So, putting down his symbols was enough. We're handsome.
Who is ready for school?
Me!
He's so excited. He have his own crayons and everything in here, and he have his bag with his own games and everything in there.
Yesterday you had said you're not taking the black case.
No, just this one.
Okay.
So you ready? You're gonna have a good day and listen to your teacher.
Yeah.
Make sure. Okay. Look at him.
I'm ready.
You ready? Papa gonna drop you. Say morning, Papa.
Hi guys.
Go tell Sarah bye-bye.
We have 5 minutes, so I don't want to be.
Don't let she cry all the day.
No, no, I won't let she cry all the day. She'll be fine. That's okay. She'll be okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. As you guys see from the first clip, my boy is off to school. Can you believe that? He's off to school. It feels completely different, right, babe?
It feels quiet.
It feels different.
If you want to sleep, you can sleep.
You can do everything when Tyler is not around. You don't hear nobody calling you 100 times. Mama! Papa! But yeah, the house still feels quiet. So he's off to school this morning. I had to walk away when he was giving Sarah kisses because I start getting teary-eyed. Because both him too.
Really?
Yeah, because when he kissed her and tell her that goodbye, I'm like, oh, she gonna miss him so much. And he said, Mama, I'm not gonna cry. And then I see him get a little whelmed up, but then he keep it together. But me and I just walk away because I didn't want to cry.
Yeah.
So my baby is off to work. Not off to work. My baby is over there in the kitchen. He's supposed to be working, but he's going on lunch break right now. Sarah is up from her nap. I am going to go and pick her up and give her lunch. And I am here trying to get a video up on my fitness channel. And of course, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, just pause this video, this vlog right now. Click the link down below in the comment section or in the description box and go subscribe to my new channel, Body After Baby, my workout channel. It would mean everything to me for you guys to subscribe and show your girl. Even if you're not into fitness, even if you're not into workout, just go and hit that subscribe button and come right back to finish watching today's vlog. Anyway, it's lunchtime around here. I'm going to go pick up Sarah right now and then feed her lunch and make Babe and I lunch. And Babe and I will be going on the road. I have a few things to get done around here. So it's gonna be a long day as usual. So let's go find Sarah. Let's go find the... Look how excited she's gonna get when she sees me. Let's go find the princess. Let's go find the princess. Let's go find the princess. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? You ready to go have lunch? How was your nap? It was good. You love your cat, don't you? She loves this cat pillow. Tyler picked this pillow. Oh, Tyler picked this pillow out for her before she was born. You know that? Yes, with your one teeth. You love your pillow? You ready? You ready? And show face your teeth. Alright, don't bother to eat up the bed. Tyler is gone to school. Show face your one teeth. Yes, they see it. They see your one teeth. Come, let's go. Let's go have lunch. It's lunch time. It's lunchtime. 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 Oh. You guys, please go and subscribe to my workout channel. Link is down below. Please go and subscribe. Anyway, I'm gonna go feed my girl lunch because I have a lot to get done at around here. Who is that, Sarah? Sarah, who is that?
Papa? Papa? Papa?
Her face.
Papa?
She's looking at him like, what are you doing home? Hmm? Oh! With babe, but I'm walking right now. Baby's gone to the garage for the car to meet me. We are I'm hunting for a piece of string that I need in order to create something for with a balloon for Sarah's birthday that I have in my head, but the supermarket don't have it. So I'm going to the fabric store to see if I can find it. So I just went fruit and vegetable shopping. So when I get home, you guys will see a few of the little things that I pick up. Man, the struggle of talking with this mask on. Shit. Sarah's here struck on me. Back out the road and been just relaxing while Sarah was taking a nap, because honestly I cannot nap in the day. I cannot sleep in the day. It doesn't matter how I try, so I didn't even bother to try. So I just relaxed. I just relaxed a bit. And baby's gone to get Tyler from school. Baby's home on a Monday, so I don't have to do school run on a Monday. So my girl is up from her nap and she's here just pacing around until brother gets home. You waiting for brother to come home? You waiting for brother to come home? Mama, look at her. Sarah, Sarah, Sarah. Fisty ignoring me. Brother soon come. Stay there. So waiting for Tyler to come, and I guess he can come in time to help me with the supermarket haul. He'll be happy I wait on him. So I'll show you guys what we get in a bit, and then I'm going to jump right into dinner. You see, this is the reason why I have to work out in the mornings, because when my day ends I have no energy left. I have energy but not enough energy for workout, honey child. Hey, hello, what you doing? Brother coming. Waiting for brother. Waiting for brother. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Not coming? Come here. You miss brother today? Come here, princess. Sarah. Sarah. Leah. Do level. That's your name? Sarah. Leah. Do level. Sarah. Leah. Do level. Who is that? Sarah? Sarah, who is that? Who is that?
I'm so thirsty.
You're thirsty.
Yes, it was so hot.
It's so hot. The sun burned you up outside. How was school?
Good, but something is wrong with this one.
With the sun?
Yes.
What is wrong with the sun?
Every time I walk into the restroom,
Mhm.
the sun is following me.
What do you mean the sun is following you?
I look at it and it's looking at me.
Come here. Come here, Ty. Papa is gonna give you the juice. You find back all your friends?
Yes, but I could play with Yasin, Midday, and Maxon.
You couldn't play with them?
Yes, there was nothing here, and then there was, they only saw them, and then they was going in their class.
Okay, that's okay. But you get to say hello?
Yes.
Okay, all right. You're going to drink your juice and then you're going straight to take a shower and cool down, okay?
What you want is
Okay, you guys, supermarket haul time with my favorite haul guy. Who is home from school? Alright, you guys, let me show you the little things that we pick up at fruits and vegetable store today.
Cereal for Mama.
No. For Papa.
Papa.
Not for Mama at all. Alright. This one.
Celery.
Celery, not celery.
Celery. I
This.
celery. Apple.
This. Hurry.
Broccoli.
Yes. And
Ball.
avocado. You like to play. I see. You're just like your dad.
Lime.
Carrot. Carrot. Oh my God. What is this?
Ball.
Sweet potato. What? This is what I wait for him to do after food. What is this? Zucchini. Oh my God. You play too much. What is this?
Lime.
What is this?
Lime.
Cucumber. What is this?
Black lime.
Scallion cucumber. What is this?
Black lime.
Green bean. No, picnic don't have no sense. What is this?
Oh. Seed.
Red banana. It's a full.
Ball with plants.
Ball with plants. Tomato. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, please don't take my child serious. He knows everything that I'm showing him. He just likes to move around. Whoa!
Ooh, a basketball down the break.
Watermelon.
Ooh.
Sweet peppers. What is it? Sweet pepper. Say
No,
it.
it's a ball with a stick on it.
Alright, that's the end of the supermarket. Oh, those are all the little knickknacks that I picked up at the fruits and veggie store. And when I went to the store to find the string that I wanted, the fabric store didn't have, it had the string but only in fabric, not in that plastic thing. What I'm searching for this thing to tie on the end of the balloons. So I'm gonna, don't do that! Is tomato in there?
Oh.
I'm gonna have to go to the party store to see if I can find it. I know that they'll have it at the decoration.
A party store?
Yes.
The party store has the store where there is the
But-
little sector to play in.
No, where there's decoration to buy to when you're doing a party.
Birthday party?
Go play with your sister. Go on. She
Okay,
miss you
bye.
all day. This is my little stash of fruits and veggies for the week.
Oh.
Yes. Look at these two, how they miss each other.
Oh, Saturday night. You put your hand out. Give your hand a shake. Here you go, loop, you lose. Here you go, you like. Here you go, loop, you lose. Ah, Saturday night. You put your left foot in. You put your left foot out. You give your foot a shake, shake it.
But it's not your foot you're shaking, it's your head.
Here you go, you like.
You're too funny. Making dinner right now, and for dinner I made some quinoa for the adults because I asked Tyler what he wants and he said he wanted pasta, so I made pasta for Tyler, and broccoli, so he's gonna have pasta and broccoli while we're gonna have quinoa and broccoli. And then just before dinner I'll fry these fish real quick, and these fish, they're so soft they don't even take 5 minutes to fry. So yeah, that's what dinner is for tonight. Come on, that's it. Come on, let's go. Everything you got is the last set. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, clock almost tick. Come on. Good job. Change. Take your dinner tie. See it there. Look. Tyler, take up your dinner, please. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Change. Right. That's it. That's it. Let's go. Tyler's dinner is ready. You dead? You dead? You did so well. I'm so proud of you. The time I can't stop now. Babe dying. You guys, and that's why you should go and subscribe to Body After Baby. Babe's getting it. Alright, you guys, that's babe dinner. And this is my dinner. Dinner for the parents. What are you doing to your sister, boy? You're following her every move? You're too funny.